Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to use Lollipop Livestream app. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step we have to take is to install and sign up for an account on the app. Right, so how can you do that? So you have to head to Play Store or App Store and search for Lollipop Livestream. So once you do that, you are going to see several apps on your Play Store or App Store, but the right one is the one with this profile icon right there, or app icon, right? So go ahead and click on that one and then install the app. Once installation is complete, go ahead and open the app. If you're opening the app for the first time, you'll be asked to sign up for an account. So as a new user on the app, you must sign up for an account. All right, so you can either sign up using your Google Telegram account, right? And one thing you have to keep in mind is that you must be very careful while entering your details during signing up, right? Do not make any mistake, because you are entitled to only one account on the platform. All right, so make sure you are careful while filling any details. After signing up, you're going to land on your FYP, where you can explore live streams. So these are live streams from people from different countries right here that you can explore, you can watch and get entertained, right? So what you have to do is to follow a couple of people who you enjoy watching their live stream. So you need to follow some people. All right, so after that, if you want to start your own live stream, so let's see how we can do that. If you want to start your own live stream, if you look at the bottom right corner, there is this Go Party icon right there. Click on it. Once you click on it, this is going to pop up. It says you need to reach level 3 to unlock your room. All right, you have to reach level 3 to unlock your own room. All right, so this simply means that you need to actually get to reach level 3 on the app before you can start your live stream. So let's see how we can actually reach level 3. If you want to do that, it's very simple. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, from here you are going to notice these T coins option. Click on it. Once you click on that, you're going to see several coins option right here. You actually need to purchase this coin and then spend it before you are going to reach level 3. But then let's see the required coin we need to spend before we can be able to reach level 3. All right, so from here again, if you look right here, you are going to see this level option right here. Click on that. After clicking on that, you are going to see all the levels on the app and also the required coin you need to purchase and spend before you can reach that such level, right? So for the reach level 3, which is actually our target, it's right here in between 1 to 5. Right, you need to spend from 98 to 1702 coin before you can reach level 3. All right, so just like I was saying, you have to click on the T coins option and then make purchase of such amount of coin. Once you make purchase of such amount of coin, the next thing you want to do is to start joining live streams from your FYP. So go ahead, look for your favorite live streams that you actually enjoy and you are looking for a way to appreciate them for a long time. Go ahead and start gifting those people, right? For example, if I come to this person's live stream, right, this is actually a party. Okay, so this person is hosting a party. So if I enjoy this person's party, what I just have to do is to click on the gift icon at the bottom right corner of my screen and then select any of these gifts and click on the send icon at the bottom right corner. So once I spend up to the amount of the required coin that I need to spend before I can reach the rich level 3. Then I will unlock the rich level 3 option to start my own live stream. So that's it about going live on the app. Now let's see how we can actually set up our profile. If you want to set up your profile, click on this profile icon right here at the bottom right corner, and then you are going to see this profile this little pencil at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on that, and as you can see right here, you can edit your profile picture and your name. Right, so go ahead and do some editing, and then your profile will be set. Right, so next thing you want to do is to do some other settings on the app, and as you can see close to the little pencil at the top right corner, there's a setting icon. You can click on that and explore some settings that you have on the app. Right, so another thing you want to do is to get verified on the app, which is very, very important. Right, so you have to click on these authentication option right here and get authenticated. So these are actually the basic things you have to do on the app. Right, so with time we are still going to release more videos on how to use the Lollipop Livestream app, so you have to just subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.